Kenneth Crawford is an American professional wrestler. He is currently signed to World Wrestling Entertainment, appearing on its Raw brand where he is on half of the tag team known as the Street Profits with Angelo Dawkins. He is currently using the ring name Montez Ford. Crawford was born in 1990 in Chicago, Illinois. He later moved to North Carolina where he attended Anson High School. While in high school, Crawford became a standout track athlete where he was named the 2007 Athlete of the Year. By his senior year, Crawford decided to join the United States Marine Corps rather than attend college based on financial consideration to his mother, who was in the midst of a divorce. Crawford has stated he was interested in professional wrestling but was unsure exactly how to begin the process of entering the business. His wife submitted photos of him to WWE's recruitment website during early 2013. On the July 12, 2017 episode of NXT, Crawford and Dawkins started appearing in weekly vignettes as the Street Profits. On the August 9 episode of NXT, they made their return by defeating the Metro Brothers. On the May 1, 2019 episode of NXT, the Viking Raiders vacated the NXT Tag Team Championship but were immediately challenged by Street Profits. On the July 10 episode of NXT, Street Profits made their first successful title defense against Lorcan and Burke, but on the August 15 tapings of NXT, they would lose the NXT Tag Team Championship to O'Reilly and Fish. Starting on July 1, the Street Profits starting appearing on WWE Raw doing various backstage segments, a move that was said to be done in order to appeal to younger audiences. On October 11, during the WWE draft, the Street Profits were drafted to Raw, officially bringing them to the brand. On the October 21 edition of Raw, the Street Profits defeated Luke Gallows and Carl Anderson in their debut match. On the December 9 episode of Raw, the Street Profits answered an open challenge for a title bout issued by Raw Tag Team Champions the Viking Raiders, where the Viking Raiders retained. On the February 17, 2020 episode of Raw, after Kevin Owens and the Viking Raiders defeated Murphy and AOP via disqualification due to Seth Rollins' interference, the Street Profit came out and aided Owens and the Viking Raiders by attacking Murphy and AOP while rolling Retreat. On October 28, 2018, the Street Profits made their first appearance at Evolve 114, winning the Evolve Tag Team Championship by defeating the Doom Patrol. On March 16, 2019, they made their final Evolve appearance as a tag team at Evolve 124, teaming with Velveteen Dream to defeat the Unwanted in a six-man tag team match. Angelo Dawkins is from Fairfield, Ohio and was an amateur wrestler at Harper College. Montez Ford is from Chicago, Illinois and served in the United States Marine Corps. Ford is married to fellow professional wrestler Bianca Belair, who competes in NXT.